Hello my dear student, welcome on my YouTube channel The Mac Masti. Today I am going to discuss about arithmetic progression, or we can say in short form AP. In this video I am going to cover how to identify whether the given series is AP or not. So let a journal series A1, A2, A3, A4 dash AN. This is the journal series we have. In this series we have to find whether the given series is AP or not. So my dear student, this is the very simple approach. This is a very simple approach for finding out whether the series is AP or not. So my dear student, focus on your board so you can understand better. So there is a simple approach. What is the approach? Identify and calculate the difference between the number, these two number, then these two number, then these two number. Suppose this difference is coming out same. If we subtract first term by second term by third term, and subtract third term by fourth term, if all the value is coming out same, so my dear student, this is the case of AP. So I am taking D1 is the difference between two number, these first two number. So A2 minus A1 is, let's suppose it coming out C. Now D2 is the difference between these two number. So A3 minus A2 will also coming out C. Let's suppose, because I am writing here a general equation. For the concept I am taking C. So D3 is also A4 minus A3, and let it also be C. If this phenomena is going to be happen, then the series is AP. Then we can say the given series is the example of AP. For more clarity, I am going to take some example so you can understand better. Before I am going to example, I am writing the concept in a statement, so you can also write in your notebook. So statement is that if the difference is coming out same value, then the given series is AP. So my dear student, if the difference, that is D1, D2 and D3 is coming same, then the given given series is AP. So I'm going to take some example from your exercise 5.1. I'm going so that you can understand better. So example number first I'm going to take from your exercise. This is the series given 4, 2, 4, 8 and 16. This is the series, so on. So we have to find out, question is asking about, find out whether it is AP or not. So my dear student, I am sure you are laughing. This is the very simple question. I am taking here. So find out the value of D1. How you can simple subtract first term by second term. How this is 4 minus 2, it will be 2. Now find out the D2. So we all sure about the difference, that is same or not. So how we can find out the D2? Subtract second term by third term. It will be 4. So my dear student, here 2, D1 is 2, D2 is 4, so difference is not same. So you all remember, if the difference is same, then the series is AP, then the series is called AP. So here the series difference is not same. So my dear student, it is not AP. So we can here write the difference is not same, so given series is not AP. So my dear student, you are very smart. So you all find the given series is not AP. So I'm taking a more example so you can understand better and better. So I'm taking example from your exercise. I'm taking the help from book. Question is given 3 plus root 2 and 3 plus 2 root 2 and last term is given root 2. This is the series given. This is the I'm checking the series whether it is writing here correct or not. 3 plus root 2, 3 plus 2 root 2 and here is a mistake. Here is the last term is given 3 plus 3 root 2. This is the series is given. This is the series given. So we have to find out whether it is AP or not. Whether it is AP or not. So my dear student, you know about the procedure. How to find. So my dear student, calculate in your notebook. I am doing here and check who is the fast. So I'm here calculate. I am finding out D1. How to find D1? Subtract first term by second term. How? Second term is 3 plus root 2 and subtract 3. It will be coming out root 2. How root 2? Open the bracket and this 3 is cancelled out by 3 and this will be equal to find out root 2. So D1 is coming out root 2. Now find out the D2 so we can clear that it is the same or not. So subtract second term by third term. So this is the third term and this is the second term, and we simplify the equation. Open the bracket, this and this is the bracket. This minus sign will change the sign inside the bracket and this will come out minus 3 and this will be coming out minus root 2. This will be coming out minus root 2. So minus 3 and plus 3 will be cancelled out and the remaining is root 2